What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for opening this video. This is Trading with Saintsha. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment. All right. So today I'm going to show you guys how I analyzed AUD USD as well as US 30. I took these trades. AUD USD I took it today, and then US 30 I was holding from yesterday. Right. So there was FOMC today. That is why you are seeing this move, and it was very helpful for the setups. Okay, let's analyze AUD USD. If you are familiar with chart patterns, then you know how easy this was. Two lines and then boom, you're done with the analysis, right? But for me, I like having multiple confirmations, and I got that. So this is the 4-hour time frame, but then when I started on the daily time frame, what I noticed was a triple bottom, right? This was a triple bottom right here. As you can see, the market rejected on this price level 3 times, and then on this price level right here, you know, when you have like a resistance or a support level, and on that price level there's some sort of a rejection, and then there's a rejection pattern or whatsoever, or rejection candlestick, it means that the market is respecting that particular level, right? When I saw this price level right here, third touch, a triple bottom or your support level, I then went back to the lower time frames and I saw a rejection chart pattern, right? So this means that we have a reversal chart pattern here that is showing us the market will in fact reverse from this downtrend right here that was happening, this downward movement, this impulse wave right there. So this is a falling wedge, and it came as some form of an expanding channel right there, right? So a lot of people know this chart pattern, and this was the simplicity of the setup. Nothing more, nothing less, like I always say. And then I went to the 1-hour time frame to confirm my entry, and what I saw on the 1-hour time frame was a nice breakout, even though it was not an impulsive breakout, but all I was waiting for is just a breakout. And you can see we had some candlesticks that pushed and built outside of our pattern or our channel like that. And then I placed a nice level just for extra confirmation, because that is how I do it, right? I placed a nice level right here in respect of the touch that happened right here, the touch that happened right here as well. So basically the market would, if the market would come back, it would come back and test a previous resistance area as a support, right? And that is what the market did. And I got that nice entry, and with the help of the FOMC, this is what we got today, right? And you can see the results are in. My overall target was right here. I shared this setup with the VIP Signals group as well as the free Telegram group. The link is in the description below if you want to join there. I share free signals there. So yeah, this is how I analyzed the AUD USD. Now let's quickly jump to US 30. Okay, so with US 30, we're gonna need some extra explanation, just because I've been monitoring this one for a while, and what you are seeing here, it's just me analyzing and trying to understand what the market is doing. Everything that you see here has been completely helpful for me. I'll start on the higher time frame. Okay, on the daily, you can see that we have a strong area right here that the market is resisting to break or rejecting, right? And then we had this expanding channel. I was able to draw this expanding channel using the 4-hour time frame, because that is where I actually understood that this was an expanding channel. So when I moved to the 4-hour time frame, so when I saw this expanding channel, it's obviously a continuation pattern, right? So what it means is, if you have an impulse wave right here, this expanding channel will be your correction. And then after this correction, you are expecting another impulse wave up until that 90% rule right here, right? So that is what happens a lot of the times. So in this case, like I said, I was monitoring US 30. So what I saw now was the market broke out successfully, and I took the trade from here and thinking that the market will just drop up until it gets to this price level right here. And then unfortunately it did not, except it reversed, and I wasn't able to secure any profits, but I was able to move the stop loss to my entry point when the market actually created a new low right here, right? So I'm going to remove all of this so that I can show you how I came about this setup right here. You can see that my entry was right here, and then take profit hit in immediately after the FOMC. So I'm going to remove all of this. Basically what I saw here was an inverted head and shoulder. This would be your inverted head and shoulder, right? So it's upside down, and it was very, very easy with this one. Like I said, I like extra confirmation, so I drew a channel like this, and just to create extra confirmation for myself and be safe and understand what the market is doing, right? So as soon as the market was playing around the resistance trend line, I thought that maybe it would want to go down, right? But also I took note of what we call the inverted head and shoulder. So there you go. In support of the previous support, I just extended the price level further back so that I can be able to assure myself with the trade. And then I move to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is where I actually got to take the entry. This is where I actually got to take the trade. And like I said, I took the US 30 trade yesterday, and then I held as it was rejecting right here. So I took the trade right here as soon as I saw this engulfing candlestick break out of the price level. So basically it broke out on a price level that was right here. I drew a price level, not a zone, because a zone would be this one. But instead I was using my phone. I drew a price level, and then I saw that the candlestick was long, and it broke out of our neckline, because this is a neckline because of the head and shoulders. And then I took the trade, right? I took the trade, and then the stop loss was right here because of the structure of the market. And then after doing that, the stop loss was right here. I held, even though when the market came down here, almost hit the stop loss, it did not. When you are using your phone, you can see that it's not even that much close, but then it was pretty close. So eventually the market broke out impulsively here, and also just to keep in mind, it broke out of the trend line, as you can see here, and that was very much assuring even when it was rejecting back in that consolidation area. So then the FOMC helped us get this amazing move right here. That is how I analyzed AUD, USD, as well as US 30. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please subscribe. If you are not a subscriber, like the video, share it as well. And I also have my top 3 best brokers that I personally use. So if you want to check them out, check the links in the description below. And then also you can join the free Telegram group. Thank you guys so much. Peace.